Oh, sorry I'm late. What just happened? What? The fans have been waiting for over a month? Seriously, we had to move camps again? Well, because I moved my room, so... Let's just get this over with. And hurry. Previously on Amiibo Survivor, our 18 contestants were divided into 3 tribes of 6. Amiibos, Plushies, and Knex. While all 3 tribes were focusing on survival and planning, the Amiibo tribe was the tribe that was mainly focusing on unity, working together, and just building higher friendships. Well, while the Knex tribe, on the other hand, was just finding ways to fit in. However, on the second day, everyone started to pick rivals against each other for one reason or another. This led to some kind of X-alliance groups. On the first immunity challenge, though the tribes fared even, the Knex tribe ultimately lost when Bowser could not make the last jump, costing his tribe the game, and the Amiibo and Plushie tribes won immunity. However, when the challenge was over, all 3 tribes learned of Ghost Island, and that there was a hidden old advantage hidden somewhere on this special island. For getting first place, the Amiibo tribe got to send one member of the losing tribe, Knex, to stay one night there. They offered to send Bowser for his poor performance in the challenge, and thus made him safe from the first tribal council. Back at the Knex tribe, everyone was just picking sides of who to vote out. Some suggested voting out Blue Toad, while some others suggested voting out Donkey Kong. However, their Flying Dry Bones was in the middle of this. Both Blue Toad and Donkey Kong tried to convince Flying Dry Bones to come to their sides. However, Donkey Kong made a promise to Flying Dry Bones to come to his side in exchange for his vote later on. And thus, Flying Dry Bones was the first swing vote of the season. At Tribal Council, once again, the tribe was split on sides, for one reason or another. However, Flying Dry Bones ultimately sided with Donkey Kong, and Blue Toad was the first castaway voted out. With Blue Toad's elimination, the contestant count drops to 17. Who will be voted out next? Ugh. Are you kidding me? They moved camps again? That's like the 3rd time. Every season, we move camps. No wonder the show gets low ratings. Actually, the fans really like the show for some reason. Yeah, I don't know why, but... So we come back to what I think is our camp, and we realize that our camp's been moved. I don't know why, but There has to be some reason why they move our camps every time. Well, thanks Flying Dry Bones for siding up with me on the last vote.
Hey, no problem. Just as long as you keep your promise.
I will, buddy.
Sweet, my plan to get Blue Toad out was good. Now I just have to get rid of some more, and I should be in the clear. Just as long as I stay alive and win some challenges or something.
Day 4.
Huh? They moved camps? Seriously? So I just got back from Ghost Island and I come home to what I think is our camp, but I realized that it's moved to another location in the mansion. I don't know what's going on, but things seem just a little too conspiracy-ness. I don't know if that is even a word, but hey guys. Hey Bowser.
Hey Bowser, hey Bowser, hey Bowser. Good to have you back, buddy.
Yeah, it's nice to be back. So tell us, how was Ghost Island?
Okay, first of all, why is our camp moved?
I have no idea.
Okay, that's all I wanted to know. And about Ghost Island, it was like a walking pile of despair, an entity that was never gonna leave my soul, and an abyss that was meant for pure misery and utter death.
Drama queen.
About the hidden advantage. Oh yeah, I couldn't find it because, well, I stink at this game. Don't we all? We're just tiny Knex figures trying to fit in.
Yeah, that's kind of our plot description.
Who keeps making these 4-4 bricks anyway?
Well, Bowser got back from Ghost Island and now we're stronger. Because Blue Toad's out and I don't even know why. But it's whatever.
Oh man, this comfort reward's amazing. I know, right? This is the life. Oh, it's a smashing hit. Can you please stop saying that? This comfort, I quite like it. I'm pretty happy that we won the first challenge, and we got some comfort reward. So yeah, that's quite an achievement for us. So nothing to do now but just hang out amongst ourselves. Sorry guys, I hate to interrupt our conversation, but I see one of us that has not yet gotten up yet. Diddy Kong. As a guy with some Smash Bros experience, I realized that there's only one smashing way to get Diddy up. Smash him. Wake up, you smashing punk! Ow! Did you really have to hit me like that hard? This comfort is so deluxe, I wanted to snuggle in it.
I don't care about your needs.
Ow! Ow! Smash Mario, why'd you do that? It was the only way to get him up. Smash. I'm starting to hate Smash Mario more. He just beat me up for no apparent reason. The comfort was so comfortable I wanted to sleep in it. All day. It was just so relaxing and couldn't help myself. Why would he even do that? That's just not right. You could go to jail for monkey abuse.